I live alone. Nobody gives a rat's ass about me. I was rinsing freshly picked berries and I tripped over an imaginary line that was very far away from the phone. I hurt my leg so bad, but I couldn't muster up the strength to open up my eyes. Help! Help! But my neighbor Helen Keller could not hear me. All I could think about was how my friend Marcy beat me in bingo last week. That bitch.
Oh my god, Judy! I'm just randomly coming over at the right moment.
Thank God for that bitch Marcy and this Life Alert necklace no bigger than a Tamagotchi. It immediately contacted Life Alert, conveniently stationed in Russia.
Hang tight, we gonna send somebody over.
With Life Alert, I'm never alone. Sometimes I put a hat on it and tell it how much it means to me. Ooh, you little...
Life Alert. Call now, 1-800-661-2332. We also carry helmets, shin pads, shock doctor mouth guards, and nitrous-injected wheelchairs for the somewhat adventurous senior citizen. Call in the next 60 seconds and we'll throw in the titty lifter, a Dolce & Gabbana colostomy bag, and a new set of dentures that sparkle in the wind. And remember, if you don't buy this, you will most likely pass away. YOLO!